Alright, guys. I know what you're thinking. Where have I been, and why is it such bad lighting? So I've been lazy. That's where I've been. And the bad lighting is because I'm in my room. But the reason why I make this video is because I haven't made a video in a while. And I'm actually building my new PC right now because I want to. And I got new parts. So, yeah, the PC is right there, but that's the old one. And we're gonna get that over there, up there, and yeah. So now we got the PC on the table hand. We gotta turn the TV off. Remote. Volume is off now. Alright, that's my motherboard right there. Actually, I'm gonna bring that over here. Put the motherboard right there. This is my new RAM. This is my new CPU. Got a nice Core i5 Intel. That's there. Doggy Saxon. And Dad will be helping me with this build. Oh, hello. That's you right there. And we're gonna that. So we just got the graphics card out. That's like one of the easiest parts. Now since this case is pretty small, the wires are pretty cramped, so we're gonna have to like unplug everything and start from scratch basically.
Yeah.
So.
Alright, start unplugging cables that are
back up. Alright, so we got the motherboard out. This is the motherboard, and we just took out the heatsink and the fan, and I just wiped off the thermal paste off the CPU and the heatsink. And right now, Dad, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I don't know exactly what you call these things, but they're like fasteners or clamps to be able to secure the heatsink to the motherboard.
Alright, and then yeah, that's so we have to
a combination of AMD and Intel adapters that, depending on the motherboard, you can attach it.
Yeah. So we have to take this chip out, right?
No. That chip can stay there for now.
Oh yeah, because then we
need to get the other motherboard here to start sizing it to see what combination will fit and secure this.
Okay, so where do we put this?
Someplace safe. I would put it here on top of me.
Alright.
Like in the back of us.
That's the old memory, HyperX Fury. It's my hard drive. It's my graphics card, or my dad's graphics card. But you know. And we'll be back when we're done with that. So apparently, this is not going to be as easy as we thought. Well, it's not really. But you know, so apparently the heatsink slash the cooler to cool the CPU, you know, like the most crucial thing of a PC basically, that wasn't didn't fit onto the motherboard, so we were jerry-rigging the heatsink with like these wires down to the motherboard.
It's gonna clamp over this down.
Yeah, it's gonna clamp that down and gonna be thing PC work. Yeah. That's yeah.
Now.
Alright, so I just installed my first CPU. Aren't you? I recorded sideways. Ain't that awesome? Alright, this clip gonna be messed up, but okay. Peace. Yeah, whatever. CPU right there, and then alright, so thing does not fit on thing, so thing won't work. Yeah, because these capacitor thingies are like just touching those down there and stuff, so That won't work. So,
I heard that too. You said Fortnite.
bruh.
It's so funny.
When the CW references something from Fortnite.
Right.
And, haha, video thing. Yeah.